full explanation followed by a shortcut. Watch till the end to learn how to crack it in just seconds. Can you crack this beautiful trigonometric product? 5 signs and 1 stunning identity. Watch how these odd angles unite to form a surprising result. Consider the product and let us use the concept sin x is equal to cos of pi by 2 minus x. Then the given equation becomes 2 cos of pi by 2 minus pi by 22, that is sin pi by 22 becomes cos pi by 2 minus pi by 22. Similarly, sin of 3 pi by 22 becomes cos of pi by 2 minus 3 pi by 2, and sin of 5 pi by 22 becomes cos of pi by 2 minus 5 pi by 22, and sin of 7 pi by 22 becomes cos of pi by 2 minus 7 pi by 22, and sin of 9 pi by 22 becomes cos of pi by 2 minus 9 pi by 22. By combining the fractions in the angles, we get 2 cos of 10 pi by 22, cos of 8 pi by 22, and cos of 6 pi by 22, and cos of 4 pi by 22, and cos of 2 pi by 22. Reducing the fractions to lowest terms, we get 2 cos of 5 pi by 11, that is 10 pi by 22 becomes 5 pi by 11, and 8 pi by 22 becomes 4 pi by 11, and 6 pi by 22 becomes 3 pi by 11, and 4 pi by 22 becomes 2 pi by 11, and 2 pi by 22 becomes pi by 11. Now let us replace this cos 5 pi by 11 and cos 3 pi by 11 using the concept cos of pi plus theta is equal to minus cos theta, which can be written as cos theta is equal to minus cos of pi plus theta. When we use this for cos 5 pi by 11, cos 5 pi by 11 can be written as minus cos of pi plus 5 pi by 11, that is cos theta is equal to minus cos of pi plus theta. Therefore, cos 5 pi by 11 becomes minus cos of 16 pi by 11, that is 11 pi plus 5 pi, which is equal to 16 pi by 11. Similarly, cos of pi minus theta is equal to minus cos theta, which can be written as cos theta is equal to minus cos of pi minus theta. Let us apply this to cos 3 pi by 11. Then cos 3 pi by 11 becomes minus cos of pi minus 3 pi by 11. 11 pi minus 3 pi is 8 pi. Therefore, cos 3 pi by 11 becomes minus cos of 8 pi by 11. Let us replace this cos 5 pi by 11 and cos 3 pi by 11 by minus cos of 16 pi by 11 and minus cos of 8 pi by 11. Then the given expression becomes 2 cos of 16 pi by 11 and cos 4 pi by 11 as it is, and cos 3 pi by 11 is nothing but minus cos 8 pi by 11, and cos 2 pi by 11 and cos pi by 11 is carried to next step as it is. As we have two minus signs here, minus cos 16 pi by 11 and minus cos 8 pi by 11, negative sign is eliminated and we have a positive product. Next, let us rewrite this as 2 cos pi by 11, that is cos pi by 11 is written first and then cos 2 pi by 11, next cos 4 pi by 11 and cos 8 pi by 11 and cos 16 pi by 11. The reason is we are using the identity cos a, cos 2a, cos 4a up to cos 2 to the power of n minus 1a is equal to sin of 2 to the power of n a whole divided by 2 to the power of n sin a. So the reduced given expression is in the form of this identity. Here a is equal to pi by 11, 2a is equal to 2 pi by 11 and so on. When you apply this result, we get 2 sine of 32 pi by 11 by 2 to the power of 5 into sine pi by 11. You can notice 2 to the power of n means 2 to the power of 5 because we have 5 terms here. That is why we got 2 to the power of 5 pi by 11, which is 32 pi by 11. In the denominator, we have 2 to the power of n, that is 2 to the power of 5, and sine of pi by 11 because a is pi by 11 here. Now let us consider this sine of 32 pi by 11, which is in the numerator. This can be written as sine of 3 pi minus pi by 11. 11 into 3 is 33 minus 1, that is 32 pi. So sine 32 pi by 11 is equal to sine of 3 pi minus pi by 11, which is nothing but sine pi by 11, because sine of 180 minus theta is sine theta. This 3 pi minus pi by 11 is nothing but an angle in the second quadrant. In the second quadrant, sine is positive. So sine of 3 pi minus pi by 11 is sine of pi by 11. So let us replace the numerator, that is sine 32 pi by 11 by sine pi by 11 in the next step. So we have 2 into sine pi by 11 divided by 2 to the power of 5 into sine pi by 11. We have sine pi by 11 both in numerator and denominator, so it is eliminated and we are left with 2 by 2 to the power of 5. Upon simplification, we get 1 by 2 to the power of 4, which is nothing but 1 by 16. Consider the given product. Next, apply the concept sin theta is equal to cos of 90 minus theta to all the sine terms in the given equation. Next, combine the fractions in the angles and then reduce it to the lowest terms, that is reduce the fraction to the lowest terms, and then let us use the concept that cos theta is equal to minus cos of pi plus theta to cos 5 pi by 11, and let us use the concept cos theta is equal to minus cos of pi minus theta to cos of 3 pi by 11. So we get 2 cos of 16 pi by 11, cos of 4 pi by 11, cos of 8 pi by 11, cos 2 pi by 11 into cos of pi by 11. Let us rearrange the terms here as 2 cos pi by 11, cos 2 pi by 11, cos 4 pi by 11, cos 8 pi by 11 into cos of 16 pi by 11. This is because we can use the identity cos a into cos 2a into cos 4a up to cos to the power of 2n minus 1a is equal to sin of 2 to the power of n into a divided by 2 to the power of n into sin a. Here a is equal to pi by 11. So this reduces to 2 sin of 32 pi by 11, 2 to the power of 5 into sin of pi by 11. Now sin 32 pi by 11 can be written as sin of 3 pi minus pi by 11, which is nothing but sin pi by 11. This is because sin of 3 pi minus theta is in second quadrant. In the second quadrant, sin is positive. So sin 32 pi by 11 becomes sin pi by 11. So replace sin 32 pi by 11 by sin pi by 11, and we have sin pi by 11 in the numerator and denominator, so it is eliminated. So we are left with 2 by 2 to the power of 5, which reduces to 1 by 16, which is in option B. I hope you enjoyed this identity. If yes, hit the like button, drop your guesses or doubts in the comments. Let us solve them together. Subscribe and turn on notifications for more satisfying math videos. Thank you.